jalo ga jaanong jaaka ko boleletse gore re mo thulaganyong ya metshameko re tlo go buisana le Thabiso Nkosi re lebella jalo kgaisano ya gagwe ya kgwele ya dinao e itsegeng jalo ka the August Disc Cup e tla be e tshameka go simolla mo bekeng e tlang ka ko Pretoria North Sports Ground. Re Nkosi dumela ra go amogela mo gareng ko FM.
Good evening le guy.
No nna ke siame ra wena o siame?
I'm very good.
Tell us about yourself. Thabiso Nkosi ke mang ko kae?
No, Thabiso Nkosi, just a young man who really loves football. I'm from Pretoria North. Well, I'm originally from Tembisa. Right now I'm in Pretoria North. And, you know, I just want to see the football scene grow and become exciting because there's a lot of potential. It's just that there's not a platform for it. So that's just my mission right now.
August Disc Cup, a go re bolelle ka yona ke eng August Disc Cup e tshameka ko kae neng?
August Disc Cup ke top 16. It will dlala go Pretoria North Sports Ground. So when you hear top 16, usually you'll think it's a knockout, but no, it's not. Right now we're going to use a different format so that the teams can have an opportunity to play a lot of games. So it's going to be 2 groups of 8. And then each team will be playing 3 games. They won't play every opponent, they'll only play 3 opponents. And then the top 2 teams after match day 3 are gonna head to the semi-finals. And then obviously after that is the finals.
Concept e inspire le ke eng gore we dire ka moggo gonne o ra se knockout di tlhopha di le go tshameka mo di group.
Yeah, it was just more well, it's inspired by UEFA Champions League. When you Champions League changes the format that thing. No, it's just one league table. And then everyone plays 8 games. So for me, that was exciting to watch, especially towards the end on the last day where every result mattered and changed the log as goals were coming in. So that's what really inspired it. I wanted to have an exciting tournament like that.
Ditlhopha tse se di ikwadise le wena ke tse kae ga ba batla go ikwadisa ba dira yang?
The teams that have signed up, we have 11 teams so far, but we also have another 12 that are interested. Bona ba ba sa tlhakantsha ditšhelete. So there is a lot of interest in this, and should anyone want to take those spots that are still available, they can just WhatsApp me on the number 076 071 5294, and then we'll talk about how you're gonna pay the deposit and all that. Then we can put you in the tournament.
Lisimolani.
Toma, next weekend on the 1st of August.
Okay, go Pretoria North Sports Ground.
Yeah, and it'll dlala the weekend fell. So it's going to be Saturday, Sunday, and then the Kari 8 is Saturday, the final Kawakari 9 on Women's Day.
Okay. Setlhopha se se fenyang go na le sengwe se se beile mo tafoleng re Nkosi se le gore ditlhopha tse di affiliateileng ba ka se bona kwa bokhutlong?
Well, the prize is the first place is going to win 16,000 plus a new gear for the team. Obviously, what look like gold medal le cup. And then should you come runners up, you're going to get silver's medal and 4,000, which is still more than what you're going to put in. And then for 3rd place, they're going to get 2,000 and bronze medals.
Madi a go tsena khaisano ke bokae?
Ke 1,500.
Ditlhopha tse di bontse khatlego ke ditlhopha tsa go kae?
Most of the they are from Pretoria. Some are from Pretoria Central. They are from the north of Pretoria. Get Sosha, and some obviously from Vele Pretoria North.
It le gonna an annual tournament ke lekgetlo la ntla o dira kana ke selo modiro se se diragala mo kgweding ya August.
Yeah, August is going to be the first time. We have had 2 previous editions, but they were not like this. Top 4. Yeah, there were 2 top 4s that we've done, but we've seen, or no, we must make something big. So this is like a trial. We hope that it's going to be very successful. And if it is, yeah, it's going to be, we're going to make sure that we get sponsors. Because right now we do have 2 potential sponsors, big sponsors, just that I can't really confirm them. But they're also going to come with extra prizes. The prizes I've mentioned, just the starter. But there's going to be a lot more. So should this be a success, I'm hoping we can make it as big as the Phillies game. Ya go Tendies.
No re tla go tshegetsa monna re tla bona gore khaisano ya gago e tsamaya yang ka go Pretoria North.
No, we will really appreciate it.
Re lebogile bosimana etso a re kopane mo bekeng etla.
Sharp. Thank you and enjoy your week. I hope to see you there.
Eitada ya o ne re buisana lena ke le ka bona la ga Renkosi Thabiso re lebeletse jalo kgaisano ya gagwe ya August Disc Cup e leng gore e tshameka jalo ka ko Pretoria North.